Understanding kick to the curb in everyday English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, kick to the curb. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Kick to the curb is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To kick someone to the curb means to dismiss or reject someone or something in a dismissive or abrupt manner. It often implies that the person or thing being rejected is no longer of value or is unwanted. The phrase, kick to the curb, likely originates from the imagery of literally kicking something unwanted to the edge of the street or sidewalk, the curb. It suggests the idea of disposing something or someone as easily and carelessly as one might discard trash or an unwanted item. 1. In relationships, after she found out he was lying, she kicked him to the curb. 2. In employment, he was kicked to the curb after the company downsized. 3. General rejection. I thought my idea was good, but it was kicked to the curb during the meeting. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to convey the action of rejecting or dismissing someone or something. Don't use this phrase in formal situations. It's very informal and might be considered rude. Remember, it's used to indicate rejection or dismissal, so it's not suitable for positive contexts. Avoid confusing it with literally kicking something towards a curb, which is not its idiomatic meaning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, kick to the curb, correctly in your daily English conversations. Remember, idioms like this can add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.